So here's where we stand, 57. Just trying to get it ready for the Rockabilly Weekend car show at Bad Chad's. Didn't make it. I have to head to Nova Scotia tomorrow morning to go, and I still got a good amount of work to do. But we have got a lot done. It's on its wheels, steering's done, all the suspension's done. And bear with me while I find a light. There we go, I'm back. So, gas tank's all in, lines are in, wires are in for that. All the rear suspension's in, except for the shocks. I still have not gotten to the shocks. The exhaust is all fabbed up. That was a kit for a Mustang that I bought. It's like a $1,000 exhaust kit that was on clearance for, it was like 96 bucks. So that's that. I still gotta do the hangers on it, but the floors are all done. Everything's painted. The frame's all done. That's painted. All the body mounts are in. Cross members in. Transmission's in. Drive shaft. I said all the suspension. And if you notice, I painted all the bolts for everything separately. Control arms and whatnot. Pretty much throughout. And I wasted a lot of time with that, but it's a detail I didn't want to skip. If I missed that castle nut there. Ended up doing new calipers, rotors, pads, steering shaft's in, exhaust is all in, most of the wiring's done, and whatnot. Made a semi-temporary radiator support bracket, and hang on while I let it down, we'll go through up top.